Hi, hello students. How are you today? Do you feel good? Are you okay? Or KO? I feel okay. I hope you feel okay too. This is a new lesson for math subject in English. So we are gonna continue from the last week. Okay, I hope you did your homework. And today we are gonna continue learning the same about subtractions. Okay, so today there is no new vocabulary, but we are continue practicing the vocabulary we have learned the last time. Okay, and this time we learn about subtraction with regrouping. Okay, let's review a few words from the last week vocabulary. We got 3 words that they are very important. For example, each number in a subtraction. Okay, for example, when we have 2 numbers, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, remember number 2 is the minuend. Number 1 is the subtrahend, and the answer is the difference. Okay, remember these 3 words: minuend, subtrahend, and difference. Okay, and if you remember when we talk about regrouping, remember regrouping when there is a group of something and we divide, split the group and make 2 new groups. For example, talking about my fingers, okay, I have a group of 5 fingers. So if I regroup my fingers, I can do, for example, this. Okay, now I have 2 groups of fingers. 2 fingers, 2 fingers, and 1 more finger, 3 fingers. Okay, this is 1 group of 3 fingers, and this is 1 group of 2 fingers. I can do also this, 2, 2, and 1. I regroup my fingers. Okay, regrouping. Now let's learn how is to make subtractions with regrouping. Okay, I will show you a picture because I don't have a PDF book. So all I have is pictures from my book. Okay, this is a picture from the page number 76. Okay, so you can follow in your book my explanation, page number 76. Okay, here we are. And as you see here, we have an explanation of how to find the difference, okay, of subtraction using regrouping. Perfect. Altogether, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps because we are subtracting numbers with 5 digits. Okay, as you know, when we have a number with 5 digits, subtracting another number with 5 digits, we split the division in 5 groups. As you see here, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place. Okay, 5 groups. Each group is a different place. Perfect. So now let's follow the steps. Let's get it a little bit, okay, a little bit bigger. Sorry. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so the first step, you remember always we start that division, we start from the left. Okay, from the right to the left. Okay, we start from the right to the left, from the smaller place to the biggest place. Okay, in this case, the smaller place is ones place. Okay, ones place. So here, the first number we are subtracting is 3 minus 6. As you know, 3 is smaller than 6. So we cannot make this division, right? Because, for example, if I have 3 baht and somebody say, can you give me 6 baht? So I don't have 6 baht. I cannot give you 6 baht because I only have 3. So what should I do? I should to go somebody that has more money than me and ask for borrow some money to me, and then I can borrow to the next person. Okay, so in this case, who is going to borrow money or numbers to one's place? Tens place. Okay, as we have learned last week, 1 digit, 1 number in tens place equals 10 numbers in one's place. Okay, so as you can see here, we can borrow from number 3, from number 4. Okay, as you see here in the example. So we borrow 1 from the number 4, so this number 4 becomes in 3. Okay, we don't need to look at this number 4 anymore. Okay, because it became in number 3. This is the number we have to count on. Okay, this is the important number 3. Okay, perfect. And now, if we have 3 baht and we borrow 1 from 10's place, which means 10 baht. So 10 baht plus 3 equals 13. Okay, there is a mistake here. Okay, and this is not 10, this is 13. Okay, this is 13. It should be 13. Okay, you should write 13. So I want you to write here 13, not 3. Okay. Okay, 13. And the same here, everywhere. Okay. The same here. It's a mistake. Okay. It happens. Even the books has mistakes. Okay. So here there is a 13, 13, 13, 13. Perfect. Okay, now we got here number 13. Now we can do the subtraction in one's place. 13 minus 6 equals 7. Okay, 7. So we got the first difference for one's place. Let's go to the step number 2. We got, remember, this number 4 is not that 4 anymore. Now it's a 3. Okay, 3 minus 2, we can do it easily. Okay, we don't need to borrow from the next place, because if we have 3 baht and somebody borrows 2 from us, we're still having 1 baht, as you see here. Okay, and then step number 3, 7 minus 3, 4. Step number 4, 6 minus 5, 1. And step number 5, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, this is how to make subtraction with regrouping. Okay, what we have done about to, get or remove one number and put another small number in the top. This is to make a regroup, to regroup the numbers in a subtraction. So now here there are some examples. Okay, these exercises you can find in the page number 77. Okay, 77. So if you go to the page number 77, you will find these subtractions in your book, and you can follow my explanations, and you can fill the same answer. I'm gonna show you some of these examples. Okay, exercise number 1, we can do it by ourselves. Okay, the first thing I want you to do it every time we have a subtraction is to check if the number on the top, the number above, is greater than the number below. Okay, if the minuend is greater than the subtrahend, because if it's not, if it's less, we need to borrow from the next number. Okay, so first of all, number 3, is it greater than 7? No. So we know already that this number 3 we need to remove, and we're going to borrow from number 4. Okay? So is it 4 or 3 in this case less than 8? Yes. So we need to borrow from the next place also. And one more time. 4 minus 9. Is it 4 less than 9? Yes. So we need to borrow from the next place. One more time. 2 is less than 5? Yes, it is. So we need to borrow from the next. In 6, okay, we need to change. Okay. Now let's review what numbers are the right ones right now, okay? If we do this subtraction, okay, 3 minus 7, we cannot make the subtraction, so we need to borrow from the next number. The next number is number 4 in tens place. So if we borrow 1 from tens place, we're gonna get 10 extra numbers. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. Okay, and this 4 becomes in 3. But this number we need to borrow also because 4 is less than 8 and 3 is less than 8. So this next number, okay, is becoming in 3 also, and this number is becoming in 13 once again. Okay, so we got 13, 13, and 3. So we borrowed from this number 4, and now in hundreds place, 4 is still less than 9. So we need to borrow from thousands place. Okay, so this 3 becomes in 13, and this 2 becomes in 1. Okay, as you see here, 1 still less than 5. So we need to borrow from the next number. So this 6 becomes in 5. Okay, so this is the final regrouping we have done. Okay, now we can do the whole subtraction and get the correct difference. Okay, we can already do it. So let's do it. 13 minus 7 equals 6. 13 minus 8 equals 5. 13 minus 9 equals 4. 1 minus 5. Can we do that? No, we can't, because we forgot to write here, yes, the number that we are borrowing. Okay, let me check if I can write in the correct place, because now it's gonna be a little bit difficult. Okay, that's the right place. Okay, now this is right. 11 minus 5 equals 6. Perfect. And 5 minus 4 equals 1. So we got this final difference, 16,456. Okay, so next subtraction, let's move to the exercise number 4, page number 77. Okay, the same than before. First of all, we have to do the regrouping first. Okay, so let's check if these numbers are the same or are greater or less than the subtrahend. Remember, if this number, the minuend, is less than the subtrahend, we need to regroup this place. Okay, we need to do regrouping. This time we are going to do number by number, place by place, because I think maybe it's clearer. Okay, so let's start. 3 minus 6. Can we make this subtraction? 3 minus 6? No, we can't. Why? Because 3 is less than 6. So we need to borrow from the next number. So this 3 and this 9 are gonna change. Okay, and now we can write that this 3 becomes in, this 3 becomes in 13 because we have borrowed 1, and this 9 becomes in 8. Okay, so we can write here 8. It's different level. Okay, 8. So 13 minus 6 equals 7. That's right. Now, tens place. 8 minus 9. Can we do it? No, we cannot because 8 is less than 9. So we need to borrow again. Let's borrow from hundreds place. Now, okay, it becomes in 18. Okay, and this number 8 becomes in 7. Okay, 8 minus 1 equals 7. This is really difficult. Okay, 7. Okay, there is 7. So let's go with tens place. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Okay, let's go to hundreds place. Hundreds place. 7 minus 8. Can we do it? No, we cannot because 7 is less than 8. So we need to borrow again. We will borrow from number 5. So this 7, when we borrow 1, it becomes in 17. And this 5 becomes in 4. Okay, now let's do it 100 places. 17 minus 8 equals 9. Perfect. Now thousands place. Thousands place we got 4 minus 5. Can we do that? No, we cannot because 4 is less than 5. So once again, we need to borrow from the next place, that is 10,000s. Okay. This number 4 becomes in 14. And this number 6 becomes in 5. So the regrouping is done. Okay. Now we subtract in thousands place. 14 minus 5 equals 9. And finally, 10,000s place. 5 minus 2 equals 3. That's it. So this is the final answer. 39,997. One more example. Let's make the exercise number 7. Okay, so you have one exercise of each column in the page 77. How do you prefer? To regroup everything first or just do it one by one? For me, it's easier to make the regrouping before everything, all the places, and then you have a easy subtraction in each place. This time we are going to make it a little bit different. Every place we are going to put it in a box, okay, to make it clearer, like this. Okay, one's place, and then tens place, and then hundreds place, and then thousands place, okay, and then 10,000s place. Okay, to make it more easy. Okay, to make it more easy. So we are gonna write here the numbers we get in the regrouping. Okay, we start with the number 4. 4, okay, number 4 is less than 9 than the number below. So we'll need to borrow from tens place. So this 4 is becoming in number 14. Okay, 14. So this number 4, okay, will become in a number 3. And as you see here, number 3 is less than the number below, that is 8. 3 is less than 8. So we will need to borrow one more time from hundreds place. So it becomes in 13. This number 4 becomes in 3, but 3 is less than 5, the number below. So we don't need to borrow one more time from thousands place. Okay, so in thousands place, once again, this number 4 becomes in number 3, but 3 is less than 6, right? So we need to borrow from 10,000s. This number becomes in 13, and this number 4 becomes in 3 because it's the last number. Is it right? Okay. So that's perfect. Yeah, here it is. Everything is clear. So now we can do the subtraction. These numbers are all of them off from the subtraction. Okay, we don't care about them anymore. Okay, so now we can do it. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 13 minus 8 equals 5. 13 minus 5 equals 8. 13 minus 6 equals 7, and 3 minus 2 equals 1. So this is the final difference or answer, 17,855. Okay, so here you have 3 different ways to do subtraction with regrouping. Okay, you can choose the best for you, the easiest for you, and you can put it in practice in this page because it's going to be homework for you, page number 77. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how to do subtractions with regrouping. Okay, with regrouping, but using expanded form. You remember how is an expanded form of a number? For example, number 12. How to write number 12 in expanded form? Number 2 and number 10. So we can write this number as 12 equals 10 plus 2. This is an expanded form of a number. So how to make subtractions using expanded form? I will show you one example here. Okay, this is one example from the page 77. Let me show you one example from page 78. That is this one. Okay, here we have how to find the difference using expanded form. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to write these numbers in expanded form. Sorry. Okay, so for example, this one, 57,937. Okay, we can write in expanded form like this. Okay, 5 in 10,000 place is 50,000. 6 in thousands place is 6,000. 9 in hundreds place is 900. 3 in tens place is number 30, and 7 in ones place is number 7. Next, this one, 27,849. In expanded form is like this. 2 in 10,000 place equals 20,000. 7 in thousands place equals 7,000. 8 in hundreds place equals 800. 4 in tens place equals 40. And 9 in ones place equals 9. Okay, now we have to do the regrouping. Okay, the regrouping, and write the change the numbers, especially in the minuend in this one. Okay, so it's the same but just place by place. Okay, for example, starting from the right, we say 7 is less than 9. So we need to borrow, yes, we need to borrow from tens place. So this 7 becomes in 6. Sorry, in 17, okay? 17. Right? Okay. And then this 30, we have borrowed 1, so becomes in 20. 20. But 20 is less than 40, so we need to borrow from the next number. So this number is 120. Okay? It's like this. You can see here the steps, and you will write, okay, these numbers that you get here, you will write right there. When you have all the numbers, okay, you will change just the minuend and write over here. After, when you have the full numbers, okay, you have made the regrouping, then you can make the subtraction. Okay, so you will make the subtraction place by place. 17 minus 9 equals 8. 120 minus 40 equals 80. Okay, and the final answer you will write over here. Okay, 29,088. Okay, I hope you can understand how to do it. Okay, it's really easy. Really easy. For example, here we have borrowed 1. If we continue, okay, we have borrowed 1. So it becomes in 800. 800 is the same than in 800. Okay, so we don't need to borrow anymore. Okay, we just write 800 here, 800 in addition form, in expanded form. And then once again, 6,000 is less than 7,000, so we need to borrow, okay? This number becomes in 16, sorry, 16. What happened? 16,000. Okay, and this number becomes in 40,000. Right? That's it. As you see, the subtrahend doesn't change, just this number. So we write in expanded form. Okay, 16 is over here. 40,000 is over here. Okay. Yeah, as you see here, say 40,000 plus 16,000 plus 800 plus 140 is 20 plus 17. This is how you need to do this exercise, okay, in the page 78. Okay, page 78. Okay, so I hope you can understand how to do today's homework. Today we are not gonna write in our notebook because we don't have any new vocabulary for today, but don't forget, okay? Homework for you, take note, okay? Open your book and check the pages I'm gonna tell you so you can do it in your book as a homework. 4 pages. 4 pages. Page number 74, 75, 77, and 78. 4 pages is homework for you. Okay, 74, 75, 77, 78. So you have already something to do to don't get bored or just play games all the day. Okay, now you have some homework for math to practice your skills. And I hope you have learned something together with me today. And yeah, I hope you stay safe. That's all for today. Have a good one. Bye bye.